Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of J Vlogs. The name is Mark Plunkett. Firstly I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers. You guys are piling up one by one. Really appreciate that you're coming in and subscribing to my channel. I call you guys gingerbread and jelly bean. Females are jelly bean, guys are gingerbread. You can watch the videos I made about this and the reason why I call you guys this. Now, today's topic, I just want to talk about females on the whole, dating older guys, and I just want to ask you, why do you date older guys? From I've been in high school, it's a trend where females date older guys for various reasons, and one of those reasons that always bother me or always find I have a problem with is younger females dating older guys. Say you're in your 20s and you're dating a guy that's in his 45, 50s, you know, that kind of thing. The question is, why do you date these men? Females have told me before that these men are more structured, they're more focused, they already achieve certain things in life, you know, they're independent, you know, they have their own car, their own house, you know, and stuff like that. But when I think about that and look into it, I'm saying to myself, but wait, this man that you're idolizing and saying that you want to be with already has the things, he already achieved, he's an achiever. He has already have, you know, house, car, whatever. What about yourself? So my question is, lady, what about yourself? Don't you think about yourself and things that you want to achieve and not what the man have? So nowadays a lot of females will talk to a man just because he has things already. They don't want to build a relationship per se with a young man, you know, a guy in their age group. They don't want to sit down and, you know, go through the steps and the trial and tribulation and build a relationship with that young man. They prefer to talk to a guy that already has money, has a car, have a house. So I think it's really sad, and the reason why it's sad is because most of you are lost and you're looking for the kind of relationship that you would have with a 20, 25, 23, 20, you know, 20-year-old in a guy that is already 50, 45, that has already done those things. Would I be going to movies constantly, going to parties and stuff like that? These older men are already settled, they already have kids, some of them married already and divorced, and they just want to have fun. And the only reason why they're dating you is because they just want some sex, or just want somebody to chill with, or just want a side piece. But most of you females get it twisted and go into a relationship with these guys thinking that you're going to get this young sweet boy kind of love where you build, you know, and you go to parties and stuff like that. Majority of these older men, they would just want to have sex and sleep or carry out and show you around, and that's it. You know, they're already established. So females, think about yourself, think about the decisions that you make, think about who you're being with. Don't date a guy, you're 25, don't date a guy that's 50, it's half your age. By the time you're ready to have kids, or the kids 20, 75 and can't even take care of the kids, and it's just crazy, it's a mess. So think about that. Let me know in the comments what you think about these females. If you agree with me, give it a thumbs up. If you don't agree with me, just don't agree with me. But you know, most of it is true and factual. But thanks again for tuning into J Vlogs. Remember, check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Thanks a million, guys. Welcome again to all new subscribers. It's J Vlogs. I'm out.
No, 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 no.